Welcome. In this video, we will see fourth step of methodology, that is test the authentication mechanism. First, what you have to do is establish the authentication technology in use. For example, forms, certificates, or multi-factors. And then, the first thing what you have to do is test password quality. Review the application for any description of the minimum quality rules enforced on user password. And then attempt to set various kinds of weak password using any self-registration or password change functions to establish the rules actually enforced. Attempt to log in using different variation on this password by removing the last character, by changing character case, and by removing any special character. If any of these login attempts is successful, continue experimenting systematically to identify what validation is actually being performed. Second, test for username enumeration. Review every detail of the server's response to each pair of requests, including the HTTP status code, any redirects, information displayed on screen, any differences hidden in the HTML page source, and the time taken for server to respond. Locate any subsidiary authentication that accepts a username and determine whether it can be used for username enumeration. Then test any account recovery function. The application contains any facility for user to regain control of their account if they have forgotten their credentials. If the function uses password hint, perform the same exercise to harvest a list of password hints and identify any that appear to be easily guessable. Then test any remember me function, test any impersonation function, test username uniqueness, test predictability of auto-generated credentials, check for unsafe distribution of credentials, test for insecure storage, then test for logic flaws, test for fail open condition, test any multi-stage mechanisms, then at last exploit any vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. So that's all in this video of step 4 of methodology, that is testing the authentication mechanism. Thank you for watching this video.